when she comes and picks me up at 4:20.
Exactly.
Give me my phone. Or your phone.
Your phone that you want to pick up. Really wish that dude would come out. Daydream is, oh my gosh, there he is. Sorry. That was stupid. It's like, oh my gosh, there he is. Man, am I a stalker or what?
Yes, you are.
I'm like videotaping the hot dude.
He's not that cute, Haley.
From far away, okay? He hangs out with,
Take pictures?
no. He hangs out with Jean Paul and them. And that he's pretty attractive. And Dorian and them. I was like, oh my gosh, there he is. Okay, that didn't work out well.